postcard when you are done making all of the preparation. So here we have to write to, and here we have to write from. I'll show you in the first preparation. So in the first you have to take a A4 sheet paper, this blank one, and then you have to fold this much over here like this, and then we have to fold like this again, and then in the last we get like this, and then you can see left over here some of the here paper, then you can fold it over here, so then it will be like this, and then when it becomes like this, you have to cut here to here, and this much part will get removed, only this much will be left, and over here also you have to do the same what I have showed over told you over there. So we have to do that, and then we have to do like this, and again the thing which you have done, the cutting part, you have to keep this thing inside that, and then you will get like you will get like this after cutting. You will get like this after cutting. Then you have to fold it like this, and then you can see over here those part. Those part, and then you fold it over here like this, and again like this, and the up one like this. So then inside you have to write a letter to your friend in your language or your native. So then you have to fold it like that again after writing the letter. Then you already cutted this part. So then again you have to move like this and like this and then like this. And the main thing that you have to do is you have to also color this part and this part and this part if you want. And you can make your own stamp, and you can make your own code, and you can make like this also, post on your name, whatever. And yeah, and one more, the mainest thing you have to do, otherwise the postcard won't be made properly. Before you write the letter to your friend or native, you have to cut till here, and you have to make like this edges. You can't make like this sharp edges. You have to cut it round, and then after making like this, then you have to write the letter. So how to cut like this, I'll show you. Just take a scissors. You have to cut like this, like this, like this, and cut like here. Then you will be left like this, a sharp point. Then slowly first make a pencil point like this, and then cut it like that smoothly. Here they do the same thing. Then you will get the output like this thing. And the same you got this. Then you can fold it again, and then you can see the post thing. It will be like this. You color it blue or any color you want. Color it. If you do it light colors, it will be more bright and nice. So then after that you have, this is the front of the postcard, and this is the back of the postcard. You have to always keep the front, back of the postcard, and to front of the postcard, so that the postman can mail and see like this, who should I send to this postcard, to who should I send that, he'll send that. So then write over here to, make lines over here in the bottom, and then write here to. Then who are you going to send? Write her name, write her flat number, and then write her apartment name or her known home, and then write where she lives. She lives in Whitefield. She lives in another country or another place, another city somewhere. Write over there, and write the place number, like in Whitefield there's a number 560048. So that place also has a number, so write the number also. Then after doing that thing, you have to make these lines for outside. It's your wish if you want to make or not, but it's your wish actually. Then make like this stamp, and make that the drawing that which have in the stamp in your postcard, and do the QR code if you want, so that they can scan it. and then after that you can see from over here. So my name is Sarah, so then I'll write my name over here, Sarah Hussain. So then if your name is something, and you'll write your name over here, and then where you live, which gate number you live, which apartment you live, and which city you live, which country you live, or which city you live or place you live, you have to write. And then if you want, okay, it's not compulsory. If you want, you can make like this. I have made it simply, so you can make like this. That's a Indian postcard sign, this thing one. I copied that same thing and wrote my name. So this is the how to make a postcard, and you can write over here that someone doesn't know how to open a postcard, they'll tear the postcard and see where is it. So just write over here who doesn't know how to open a postcard. Just in small letters, open here. You can't see it because it's so small. Then you can open, you can see, and in your language they'll read the thing. And if you want, see, this is the back page. It's like this. And this is the front page which you wrote the letter to. If you are, which language you can write, it's your wish. And then you can send it to the post office. They'll give it to your friend or your native. So that's how I wanted to show that how to make a postcard. So thank you for seeing my video. Thank you.